Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. We are so excited to go to Thailand. So today me and my father is going to show you the essential stuff that we need for traveling. So our first item is in this bag. It's not any ordinary bag. It's a waterproof bag and it's 25 liters.
This bag is from Decathlon.
So guys, this is a belt travel bag and it's 2 liters.
This one is our third essential item, which is sunscreen.
This is very important and it could protect your and this can protect you from the sun and you won't get sunburned.
This one is the fourth essential item. This one is a waterproof floating phone case, so you can keep your phone here. So this one is from Jutto waterproof floating phone case. This one is our fifth essential item when you are going to be any of the beach destination or anywhere. So this one is rain poncho, so you can use it. So it is coming into the two size, kid size and the adult size, so you have to keep it. It's very lightweight. You just keep into your luggage and use it. This is our sixth essential item which you have to be keep with you while you are traveling anywhere. This one is the first aid kit which I order from the Amazon. Another essential item in my list is this beach wear shoes. So this shoes I purchased from the Decathlon. It prevent to go sand inside your shoes, and when you walk to the any pebbles or any rock, it is very helpful, and it is not going to be slip on any of the surface. This one is another essential item, which is a power bank with the cable, so you can charge your gadget as well as phone at any time, and one travel adapter which you can use it in any of the socket. If you want, you can keep some optional item like sunglasses, hat, slipper, camera and an umbrella. Thank you guys for watching this video. So these are the travel accessories which you have to take it to any of the beach destination or any other where you are traveling. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you want to know the details of any of the product, just comment down below. I will just give you the full description, and as well as I will just create another video of that product. So thank you guys for watching this video.